Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create chatbots for business 2025, a complete walkthrough. So guys, you want to boost sales and automate customer support using AI. In this tutorial I'll be showing you step by step how to create a chatbot for your business. No coding required. That's no major coding is required. All right. So there are many multi-platforms, like there are many popular platforms that don't require coding, but you could use to make these chatbots like ManyChat, TDO, Landbot, BotPress, Intercom. For this tutorial, I'll be making my focus on ManyChat because it's usable on Messenger. That's for WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and X, I think. You could also try TDO for websites, but I'm going to be majorly focusing on ManyChat. So guys, all you need to do now is just go ahead and open up your browser. So open up your browser and simply search for ManyChat. So ManyChat.com is the platform of interest. Once you're here, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on ManyChat. So click on ManyChat and you're taken to their platform. So it says here, ManyChat, welcome back. Let's get you signed in. So you could easily sign in, but we're going to be going with the sign up option as we do not have an account. You could also click on get started for free, which simply means they have a payment option. They have a payment plan you could engage in. So just go ahead and click on the sign up option you find. Once you've clicked on sign up, you're taken to where would you like to start. Don't worry, you can connect to other channels. So you could go with Instagram, TikTok, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, or Telegram. So I'm just going to be going with Telegram as my option. It would be my default. So go ahead and click on any of the social medias you have accounts in and you're looking to elevate. All right, so the next page you're going to find is click the button below to open Telegram on your desktop. When Telegram chat is open, click on start. So click on continue with Telegram. It's going to lead you back to your Telegram account. So please take note of this and make sure the application is already opened. All right, so it says here open Telegram desktop. You could allow it to open Telegram on your desktop, or you could make use of it on the website. So let's just go ahead and open Telegram desktop. But the main point is to click on start bot on your Telegram once your Telegram has opened up. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. It says here, ManyChat helps your business sell more and support better through popular messaging apps like Instagram direct messages, Facebook Messenger, and Telegram and WhatsApp. So click on start. You have successfully authorized in Telegram. Please return to ManyChat to complete the sign in. So just go ahead and open this website link on your application that's on your browser. All right, guys. So you're going to go through a slightly tedious process of setting up ManyChat. I'm unable to show that as it contains personal information, but I would describe the process. So after selecting the media, or that's the social media account you want to connect to ManyChat, you're going to have to enter your personal details and make sure the account is set up as a business account. So Telegram doesn't offer business accounts, I believe. So I ended up going with Instagram for creating this account. So once you open up your Instagram, all you need to do is open up ManyChat first. Select Instagram as your sign-in option. So here you would simply sign in with Google, but on the sign-up page, you're going to be using Instagram. So when you select Instagram as your sign-up page, they're going to be asking you to enter your details and to simply connect your business Instagram account to ManyChat. So I went about that process by entering my personal details and any other requested information, and then connecting my Instagram to ManyChat. All right, so once you've connected, this is the first thing that pops up on your screen. So it says here, first things first, who's this account for? Basically, it's for myself. So click on next. And then how would you like to earn money with ManyChat? I do not monetize my account. So this is the point of having a business account, so you can actually make profits off of ManyChat. You could go with how would you like to earn money, digital products, channel monetization, brand partnerships, affiliate marketing, physical products. So you could go with physical product or services, or digital product and services. I believe this is easier to maneuver. Click on next, and then which tools are you using right now? We have MailChimp, OpenAI, Google Sheets, Flowdesk, HubSpot, and Kit. So you could go with Google Sheets, OpenAI. And I believe all of these would be added to your business. But if you're going with the physical products option or services, it's still going to be the same thing. So let's just simply select what we're going with and then simply click on next. So, how did you hear about us? This is basically just um, consumer purposes. Click on next, and this is what pops up on your screen. As you can see here, it says reply more and grow with your followers using the pro option. I'm going to be going for the free option. All right, so your account, this is your Instagram account, and all you need to do is, oh, nice animations. All you need to do is click on let's get started. So go ahead and click on this option. Where would you like to start? So, auto DM links from comments. Send a link when people comment on a post or reel. Generate leads with stories. Use limited time offers in your stories to convert leads or start from scratch. So I believe these are their templates, and you could go with the start from scratch option. So let's just go with the popular one. All right, so this is the website. This is a post I have on my Instagram that's up. And now, when someone comments on a specific post or reel, these are the pro features. What do you do? Click on next. So this is the automation. All right. So basically, welcome to ManyChat. With ManyChat, you have your home section, you have your contacts. We have what we call automation, which is basically the AI feature or the automated features of ManyChat that simply helps business owners attend to customers without having to, be part of the conversation. And then we also have the live chat option. I believe this is either for support or for actually chatting with your clients. And then you have your profile here and you have your free contacts limits. So I believe there's a number of contacts you can have. And then also live chat and settings. All right. So when someone comments on a specific post, and this comment has a specific word like price, like now let's say someone comments price of this or any word, like if they comment anything, if they actually leave any comment, but I guess it's best to leave it to the specific word. Reply to their post under their comments. So reply to their comment under your post. Thanks, please see DMs. Sent you a message, check it out. Nice, check your DMs. So thanks, please see DMs or send you a message. You could go with this and click on next. And this is what they will be getting. So, hey there, I'm so happy you're interested. Click below and I'll send you a link. Send me the link. So you can simply edit everything here. You can simply edit everything. This is from you to them. This is basically what it looks like. So you can now simply get started by clicking on next. And then what would they get? So you could simply have a link ready for them to make use of. Let's just go with this link here. And you can simply paste your link there, and this is what they'll be getting. So basically, this is what it works. This is how the automation process of ManyChat works. All you need to do is just go through, follow this process, and you could simply set up an automation for your business. And that's how you've created a chatbot, basically. So it's just meant for two replies, I believe. But you could have other replies when you get the pro option. There's a pro feature for a reason. So we have contacts here. So you can upload your external content and external contacts and use it with any marketing channels. So if you have business partners you want to send out automated response to, you could make use of ManyChat to do that. All you need to do is just click on import and simply import your contacts. But I believe there's a free option for it. So just 1,000 customers, and so team member seats one, growth tools four, and then you can view the full table. Okay. All right. So these are all of the automation tools you can use for ManyChat. These are all the automations you can make use of on the free option. But on the marketing, that's on the pro, we have unlimited features here. So you could start, the pro for free, but that's just what it looks like. So you can just go ahead and click on create new contact and simply add the contact info and send them your stuff. And then for the home section, once you're on the home, you're met with a hello, and you can start by creating auto DMs. You can explore all their templates. They have the auto DM feature. They have generate leads with stories. They have respond to all your DMs, automated activity. Basically, you're making use of an already built chatbot. You're just telling it what to do and what it can and what you can kind of like expect from the bot to perform. Let's open this in the background. But yeah, so they have templates you can simply explore, and you could explore the templates by the kind of goal you're trying to work on, whether it's growing your followers, engaging your audience, or moving traffic over to a website that you own, or responding to your comments and things like that. So if you want to run a giveaway, if you want to grow followers from your comments, if you want to grow your YouTube account, your Instagram, sending them to your WhatsApp, boosting webinar signups, they just have a lot of templates. So we can go ahead and look at the simple templates. Like this template, let's say you want to run a giveaway. So basically this is what it would look like. And then you could simply set up the templates, basically. So that's everything about ManyChat. That's how you can actually create your own bot. Comment down below if you have a question. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you.